How to delete a message in Slack. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to delete messages on it that you have sent, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to delete a message, you need to find the channel where you have just sent the message. Now choose that and tap on it, just like this. After that, you can find your message just right here. Now to delete it, simply keep on pressing on it. Then here you can find delete message right here. Tap on it. And simply confirm it by tapping on to delete message. Just like this. And now you can see the message is deleted, and that's it. This is how you can delete a message in Slack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.